Hello and welcome. My name is Sebastian, and today we do some PostgreSQL commands, and we are looking for the where clause. In simple terms, the where clause we will use for filtering our data. To see this in an example, we will first now do a select of all our data in our sales table. We will run this, so we see all the columns, all the data entries, and mostly we want to know not all the data. We use the filtering especially when we used to have data from a certain date, from a certain brand, a certain product, a certain amount, and this is what you can use the where clause from. So in a simple term, when we want to know from the day of the 23/10/27, so we want just the data from this day, so we say transaction date equals and then the date. Then we would see now not 40 entries, no, we would just see all from the 27th. Let's see this. Okay, great. When we want to have it also for another date, then we use OR as an operator, and we want to 23/10/09. So now we just have both. We don't have it. That's interesting. Let's see if we have something from the 11th. No. Let's see what else we have. Okay. Then we don't use this. We could also say now something like end amount equals to 1200. So we see here one entry is here 1200. Is this possible? Yes, it goes. So possible to filter in the where clause on certain dates with this text format or certain numbers. So when we keep now all the transaction data out, we want to see all the sales where the amount is 1200. Let's see how many we have. 2. Okay, great. Let's see all the entries again in our brands table. So we want to know not from brands, from countries, from brands. So again, brand IDs, brand names, and countries. So we want to see now just our customers in the country USA. Country equals to USA. See? There we are. And there it's. So easy to use, easy to filter. That's all in the simple terms which we can use with the where clause. And I hope I see you then next time.